guys, what is up? Welcome back to another tech review video. My name is Joe Serrano and this is going to be another Deity microphone segment. If you guys missed my last few videos, I talked about the Deity S-Mic2S and the Deity Connect system. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Deity HD-TX, the transmitter that I missed out from my last review of the Deity Connect interview kit, because it deserves its own video. So, in this video, I'll be talking about the specs of what makes this transmitter different from all the normal transmitters out there. And I'm saying normal because I find this quite unique. And do a field test using the HD-TX. Now, the HD-TX is a plug-on XLR transmitter and a combined built-in recorder. Due to patent reasons for US models sold inside the USA, you can either transmit or record your audio separately. While for international models sold outside the USA, you'll be able to transmit and record your audio simultaneously. So if anything happens while you're transmitting to your receiver, you have a backup recorder to work with. Taking a closer look, on the front you have the OLED daylight display screen and 6 buttons that controls navigation, menu select, power back, pause play, and the record stop button. On the other side, it has the headphone jack for live monitoring and listening to playback, USB-C charging port, and the micro SD slot. Lastly, on top of it is the phantom power slot and the 3.5mm lav input. If you want to use it like a BP-TX, you can place your HD-TX into its holster and attach it to your talent. In terms of specs, it has similar settings to the BP-TX like low-cut filters, analog limiter, multiple RF outputs, and the interface is easy as well to navigate. It has built-in battery that can work up to 10 hours if you are using 100 milliwatts of power. It can record up to 8 hours of record time on an 8GB micro SD card. Also, it has the same screen and button auto lock feature that locks by itself when the device is on idle. You can adjust it depending on how long you want to set the locking period. Since this device is also part of the Deity Connect family, if you have a Duo or RX with you connecting to the HD-TX, you can change settings and control fully the HD-TX from the Duo RX. And by long pressing the down button of the Duo RX, it prompts the HD-TX to start or stop its built-in recording. That way, you don't need to approach the HD-TX to change and tinker the settings. Okay, now we are going to do a distance test using the HD-TX connected to the S-Mic2S, and it is transmitting to the Duo RX. Okay, so now we are doing a distance test using the HD-TX and how far it can still connect to the Deity Connect. Wow, that actually rhymes. Okay, so testing 1, 2, 3. I'm starting to move away from the camera. In order for me to know if it's still connected to the Deity Connect, I have a cameraman behind the camera. That actually rhymes as well. Okay, so I'm currently outside. There are cars passing by. I'm just waiting for the cars to pass by so I don't get roadkill and all that. So this is a distance test using the HD-TX. And how far can it still connect? Is my cameraman still saying that you can still hear me? Yeah, she's giving a thumbs up. So let me see. Moving away from my camera. Yeah, thumbs up. She can still hear me. Okay, moving away. Man, it's really hot. What time is it? It's 2:30 in the afternoon. Let me try to move away. Thumbs up. Thumbs up that she can still hear me. Okay. It's so hot. Why am I doing an outdoor test? Okay, can you still hear me? Yeah, okay, moving away. Ang init. Oh my God. How far can you still hear me? I'm still seeing a thumbs up. Okay. Okay guys, I'm actually going back because I can't see if my cameraman is giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So in terms of that distance, I don't think you guys would bother shooting at that distance. But hey, That's how far the HD-TX can connect to the Deity Connect. Nakakapagod to ah. Yeah.
I can still hear you from there.
From what part?
The farthest one where you couldn't see me.
So apparently, according to my cameraman, she can still hear me at the farthest distance that I could go. But yeah, I don't think it's it's even practical to try to shoot at that distance with the microphone. But that's how far it can go. Honestly, I really enjoyed using this device in so many of my applications. I mean, where can you find a device that is a combined XLR transmitter, built-in recorder, and has a lav input? I mean, you can do so much more, yet you carry less. It's just insane. Alright, this ends my review of the Deity HD-TX. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to share it to your friends. If you want to be updated in my next tech review video, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media pages. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next tech review. See you guys!